All right, so here we are, October 20th. Another birthday party to go to. Family in the Philippines. Woo. All right. Birthday party, here we come. Ooh, guest book. Maybe not. All right, doors wide open. Whoop, whoop. Well, they want the door open because there's heat from cooking. Oh, my name's on YouTube now. Don't worry, you know me, I'm taking pictures and video. Wow, we got hamba and chicken and beef and stew. Spaghetti, Philippine spaghetti. We got wonder meat. All right. Happy birthday to you. First one here. Are we eating this chocolate cake tonight?
Yes.
Oh, yummy. I haven't eaten all day.
Yes.
No, I mean no.
You have not eaten all day, so that's
all day,
good.
yeah.
That's good.
Well, I'm not going to overeat. I want to lose 10 pounds before Priesty comes back.
Your weight is good. You look good.
Oh, yeah.
Wala may mukhang patron.
Well, you would never.
John,
What?
when is Inday coming home?